This is the genuine Gerber 99-292 tank to bowl kit. This kit comes with a set of instructions here. It comes with 2 channel pads that go in between the tank and the bowl to prevent them from hitting each other. It comes with 2 bolts, 2 washers for the bolts, and 4 nuts. This here is for the supply line if you have one. And then this is the tank to bowl gasket. As you can see, this is a little bit thicker than other tank to bowls. It's also really soft. And yours may have a hex nut pattern here. It's just from being pushed up against the flush valve for so long. Get a few measurements here. And if you would like to purchase this part, there will be a link in the description below to our website. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 99-292 tank to bowl kit.